This 2023 Forest River Grey Wolf 27 RRBL Black Label is a toy hauler RV. It is located in Muskegon, Michigan 49442 and is offered for sale by Lakeshore RV Center. This new Forest River is 34 feet 0 inches in length and features one slide-out, sleeps 6, and 40 gallons fresh water capacity. The unloaded weight of this 2023 Forest River Grey Wolf 27 RRBL Black Label is 6,571 pounds. For more information and pricing on this unit, and to see all units available for sale by Lakeshore RV Center, visit RVUSA.com.